Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Clarence again. And here's the next do-it-yourself or fix-it-yourself type repair video. Anybody can do it. It's replacing or how to remove or lower your spare tire on a Silverado, GMC. All of them about the same. The procedure is about the same. The first thing you want to do is you're going to start with your key fob. All right, the key fob is you're going to lead your key out of your key fob. There's a release button here. Press the release button, pull the key out. This is the key. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to locate the latch or the lock to unlock your spare tire, okay? So I'm going to pause it for a second to do that. And the next thing you're going to need to do, you're going to need to be able to locate your tire irons, tire cylinders and stuff, okay? And here it is right here. And I'm gonna use this item here, here, and here, okay? Next, I don't know if I can see this or not. Maybe get a little bit closer. Then you're gonna locate your cap where the lock cylinder is at. Throw my tag up. And it's right here. This is the lock cylinder. This is the key. Take the key, insert it into the lock cylinder. If I can turn it. And remove it, okay? Now, you got the lock cylinder, and this is the entry point for your tools to remove the tire. I'll put this over here. We'll need this, all part of your stuff to rechange your spare tire. And you're gonna connect these two together. Gonna put the open end, the big end, or the open end in here. And you kind of twist it back and forth clockwise, counterclockwise, until it catches. Counterclockwise, and it caught, right? Then you take your tire iron. Tire iron has a square hole right here. Fit it right here. Now you're ready. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to lower it. The spare tire is right here. It's under here. You'll see it as I'm attempting to lower it. So, righty tighty, lefty loosey, twist it counterclockwise. I'm going to see if I can twist and watch the tire at the same time. Okay, and the tire looks to me like it's coming down. And that's how you lower the tire or release it. Okay, that's pretty much all to it. Now, to put it back up, I'm not gonna take it all the way off. I just want to show you where it was at and how to lower it. So now we'll raise it back up. Okay, up we go. Once you get it in place, it'll lock itself in place. But what I like to do, once I get it solidly back up underneath there, okay, that's as far as it's gonna go, right? That's it. Or you don't have to do anything else. Now, what I do is this. I'll come in and kick it to make sure it's still in place. One last time. And then this is some of my tools. Take the cylinder, pull the key out, and push it back in. Make sure it seats. Correction. Leave the key in because you have to work it to get it back in spot. Make sure it seats. Close the cover, and you're done. Take your key. Put it back in the key fob, like so. Period snap is good. And that's all to it. Okay, other than that, that's it. That's all it is to locating and lowering your spare tire on a Chevy Silverado, the GMC, the Denali, most of the SUVs, any of your General Motors product. The principle is about the same. I'm Clarence. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. I'll go back and make some adjustments and see what the issues were. Stay tuned. Go ahead and follow my channel and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you at the next one. Gerard. This one is for Gerard. Gerard, I'm not going to call your last name, but Gerard, my nephew. He had a flat with his Chevy Silverado. Other than that, I'm Clarence, YouTube. That's it. I'll see you the next time out. Peace.